How can I get a full 90 in my PTE listening? Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. And that is exactly what I'm going to do in today's lesson. Today, I'm going to share with you some of the top strategies that I used to get a complete 90 in my PTE listening. So, let's get started. Hello everyone, my name is Noel and I'm one of the expert trainers here at Genesis Learning. Now, Genesis Learning is an edtech company where we do a lot of online trainings for different exams like IELTS, PT and OET and even spoken English. So if you are a person who's looking for any of these information, please log on to our website www.mygenesislearning.com. Drop us an inquiry and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. In this channel, we do a lot of strategy videos about different exams. This is just the tip of the iceberg and you will find more of that on our website. The first one is start your preparation much before the examination. One of the best ways to get used to the different English accents is by either listening to the news or by listening to podcasts. When you use any of these, make sure you write down the different words that you are using, find out the meaning and improve your vocabulary. Remember, you cannot learn English overnight. It takes time. The second strategy is familiarize yourself with the different PTE listening tasks. I have already done a video wherein I explain everything about the PTE listening. If you haven't seen it, please check it out in the link below. It is very important to understand what is happening in the PTE listening. There are numerous tasks and having a good idea will help you to be prepared. The third strategy is to take down notes. Note-taking is very critical when it comes to the PTE listening. In many situations, you will hear a lecture and during that time, the more notes you take, the better it is for you. You will be given an erasable notebook where you can take down everything. So please make sure you take down a lot of notes. The fifth strategy is try to predict the word types. For the listening, you will have an audio that is played and you will have to fill up certain blanks. The best way to get started is to predict what the word might be. Is it going to be a noun, a verb, or an adjective? This will help your brain to get prepared to what to look out for. The sixth strategy is spellings. Your spellings are very, very important. Unfortunately, like you have in most of the situations in your laptop, you will not get an autocorrect for the PTE. So you have to make sure that you type the correct spellings. One of the best ways to get a good idea of the spelling is to do enough research and start much before and write down the different words that you come across. The seventh strategy is time management. Remember, the listening section is not timed. Therefore, you have to always be on your feet. You have to make sure that you are timing your tasks properly. Why? Because if you don't time it properly, then you might miss out on the last few questions. If you are stuck with any question, it's okay, no problem, move on. Try not to linger around any particular question for a long period of time. If you are looking for any practice materials, some authentic training, especially in the PTE, then get in touch with us. Log on to our website, drop an inquiry, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you've got some value out of this short video, then make sure you hit that like button, share it with your friends, and help us to spread the word. We are also eager to hear your feedback in the comment section right below. So please feel free to drop in your comments. Till we meet again, stay home, stay safe. This is your tutor, Noel, signing out. Ciao.